Hello dear students, welcome to your Standard 4 English 2 class. Dear students, I am your Rita Miss. Today I am going to teach I Meet My Aunt. It is from your workbook. Link lesson of I Am Born. Unit 3. Page number 87. Dear students, you can see page number 87. In the reader, we read about how Miss Betsy Trotwood walked out of Blunderstone in anger because the baby born to David's mother was a boy and not a girl. Because the baby born to David's mother was a boy, not a girl. Miss Betsy had no contact with the baby boy for several years until one day. Now let's see the story. Here, I Meet My Aunt. It is also adapted from David Copperfield's by Charles Dickens. Here, my shoes were worn and my hat was crushed and bent. My means whose here? David's. His shoes were worn and his hat was crushed and bent. My shirt and trousers were stained and torn. His trousers, shirt were stained and torn. Besides, in this sad state, I waited to introduce myself to my aunt. In this sad state, David waited to introduce himself to his aunt. A lady came out of the house. I knew her immediately to be Miss Betsy. She came marching out of the house exactly as my mother had described her walking up our garden at Blunderstone Rookery. Go away, said Miss Betsy. No boys here. When Miss Betsy saw this boy, David, she told, go away. No boys here. Now, dear students, let's see page number 88. Next page, 88. If you please, aunt, I am your nephew, I said. The boy said, if you please, aunt, I am your nephew. Oh Lord, said my aunt, and sat down in the garden path. Oh Lord, when she saw my condition, she sat down in the garden path. I am David Copperfield of Blunderstone in Suffolk, where you came on the night when I was born and saw my dear mamma. I have been very unhappy since she died. Here what happened? David is telling, when I was born and saw my dear mamma, I have been very unhappy since she died. I have been treated cruelly, taught nothing and made to do work that was not fit for me. Here David was very unhappy since his mother died and he had been treated cruelly, taught nothing and made to do work that was not fit for him. It made me run away to you. Here David is telling, it made me run away to you. Here I began crying bitterly. Here he began to cry bitterly. My aunt sat staring at me. Here aunt sat near him and staring at him until I began to cry, until he began to cry. Then she got up in a great hurry, grabbed me by my collar. She caught him by his collar and took him into the parlor. Parlor means, here it is given the meaning, a room in a house for sitting in, receiving guests. So dear students, you understood this small chapter. I meet my aunt. Read this lesson one time and write its word meaning in your notes. Thank you. Have a nice day.